Naimbag nga rabi ikanyayo. How do you say, I'm going to eat, I'm eating, and I ate in Ilocano? If you wanna say, I'm going to eat, manganak, ma, nga, nak, manganak. And if you wanna say, I'm going to eat, and whatever the food is, let's say you wanna say, I'm going to eat rice. Manganak ti, innapoy. Rice, innapoy. In, na, poy. Manganak ti innapoy. Or, maybe you wanna eat fruits. Manganak ti prutas. Prutas. What about saying I'm eating? I'm eating. Manganak. Mang, ma, nga, nak. Manganak. Or, if you want to be more specific and you want to say, I'm eating rice. Manganak ti innapoy. Or, manganak ti prutas. What if you want to say, I ate? Nanganak. Nanganak. Na, nga, nak. Nanganak. And you want to be specific, so you want to say, I ate rice. Nanganak ti innapoy. Nanganak ti innapoy. Let's do a review. Manganak. I'm going to eat. Manganak. I'm eating. Nanganak. I ate. And if you want to be specific and you want to say, I'm going to eat rice. Manganak ti innapoy. I'm eating rice. Manganak ti innapoy. And last one, I ate rice. Nanganak ti innapoy. So, that's our Learn Ilocano for tonight. Until next time, good night, bye!